Ever pondered the secret to making pasta from scratch? The thought can be daunting, yet the process is surprisingly simple. Today we delve into the art of pasta making, breaking it down into easy-to-follow steps. Imagine the satisfaction of biting into pasta, handmade by you, the texture, the taste, the sheer delight of creating something so delightful from scratch. It's like magic, but in your kitchen. First things first, gather the ingredients. Simplicity is the beauty of pasta. All you need is 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 4 large eggs. That's it. Begin by creating a mound of flour on a clean surface. Make a well in the center. Think of it as a little flour volcano. Crack the eggs into this well. Now, it's time to get hands-on. Slowly combine the eggs and flour together, starting from the center and working your way out. This process might be a bit messy, but trust me, it's part of the fun. You're looking for a dough that is elastic and smooth. If it's too sticky, add a bit more flour. If it's too dry, add a touch of water. Once you've achieved the perfect dough consistency, it's time to knead. This is a crucial step in developing the gluten which gives pasta its deliciously chewy texture. Set a timer for 10 minutes and get to work. Now, it's time to let the dough rest. Wrap it up in plastic wrap and let it sit for about 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax, making the dough easier to roll out later. Next up, rolling out the dough. If you have a pasta machine, great. If not, a good old-fashioned rolling pin will do the trick. Roll it out as thin as you can, aiming for a thickness of about 1 millimeter. Now comes the fun part, shaping the pasta. Cut the sheets into whatever shape you fancy. Maybe you're in the mood for spaghetti, or perhaps farfalle is more your style. Finally, it's cooking time. Fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried, so keep a close eye on it. Generally, it'll be done in a mere 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have it, a guide to making pasta from scratch. To recap, all you need is flour, eggs, and a bit of patience. Create a well in your flour, add your eggs, gradually combine the two, knead, rest, roll, shape, and cook. Remember, practice makes perfect. Your first batch may not turn out exactly as you envisioned, but don't be discouraged. Each attempt brings you one step closer to pasta perfection. So roll up those sleeves and get kneading. The satisfaction of a plate of pasta made entirely by you is well worth the effort. Happy cooking!